family, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning on, you're welcome and thanks so much for joining. And for my returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for always stopping by. I can't thank you enough and I'm super grateful. So
this ain't Texas, ain't no hope.
I love being your love.
So here we talk about skincare lifestyle. We make sure you stay fit, healthy, and we make sure you are looking the best version of yourself. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, hit that subscription button, like this video, share with your friends, and make sure you follow me on all my social media pages. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna come up with this natural mask which I have never shown you. Okay, I have tried this low-key and trust me, it's a blast. And take a look, no makeup on, but we are still glowing. Okay, because you know what, I'm gonna show you the secret. Okay guys, so let's keep going. Welcome back guys. So if you are still here, I just want to say thank you so much for staying tuned, and do consider subscribing, watch this video till the end, like, and also try it back at home. Okay, so I said today I'm gonna come up with this natural mask that is really gonna help your skin from discoloration. It's gonna keep you ages ahead. Okay, alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in or for staying tuned. And I just want to say that if you're still watching me right now, then you definitely love what I'm doing. And guys, I want to make sure that you try out this video, try it out and tell me. I want to make sure you try out this mask and tell me what you think down the comment section below. And also, if you are suffering from discoloration, then this video is for you. If you are suffering from dark spots, acne, then this video is for you. If you are having a very dry skin, then this video is for you. This is just everything in one. So guys, please try it at home and do not forget to subscribe. Tell me what you think if you tried. Just tell me how your face looked like. Then yes guys, so let's go. So with me here, I do have my avocado. This is my avocado. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be using just 1/4 of this avocado. I don't want the mask to be too much because yeah, my face is not big, so I'm gonna be using 1/4 of this avocado. Okay, so we're gonna go with, like I said, just 1/4, right? Yeah, so before we continue, I just want to let you know that no makeup. You can see nothing. So we're gonna use 1/4. Yeah, so make sure I scoop it as much and as well as I can. So here we go. So you can see, right? And the next is going to be our banana. So this is a banana. So I'm still going to use the same quantity that I used. Okay. Oh my. The banana is not banana-ing. So yeah, this is the quantity I'm going to use. So I'm going to take this part of it. So guys, please stay tuned. 1/4 of the banana as well. This is also a perfect combo for your hair and also for eating. Okay, so normally bananas are really gonna help your skin glow. They're gonna treat acne, same as this avocados are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are really gonna nourish your skin, and they're gonna keep your skin glowing, and they're gonna keep you aging backwards. Okay, so this is not a joke, and trust me, before coming here to show you all of this, I make sure that I have tasted and tried this out, and it's worth trying as well. Okay, and also I will go ahead to mash my bananas just like you see here. We're gonna mash together with So don't blend. If you can blend, fine, but you know how you gonna blend this without adding maybe water. You can as well blend if you're making a large quantity, but you know, I'm not gonna do too much. This is already enough for my face. So easy to be mashed. Okay, so our next ingredient, can you see? This is actually good to go, you know, guys. And since we want to clear the spots really quick, and we also want our skin to glow and be brighter, then we're gonna add turmeric. Okay, this is my turmeric powder here. So we're just gonna add a little bit. I'm just gonna eyeball it, okay? So just a little, yeah, so you can see just a little bit. So keep stirring. Guys, you know turmeric never disappoints. And also, last but not the least ingredients is gonna be our honey. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a teaspoon of it. Guys, I'm still gonna eyeball it because these are really natural ingredients. So, and I've been doing this for a long time, so I'm gonna eyeball it. Oops. There we go. I have to hide this away from my daughter. Okay, guys. And this is it. And there you go. There we go. So guys, hold on. Guys, I'm done, and you have to leave it up on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. As long as it sticks and you feel like it's drying up, then you definitely have to wash it up, okay? So guys, we will be here waiting, and then let's wait for a while and then we come back. I'll show you. See? Drip it. Guys, so my mask is already okay. You can see that it has dripped, and if you look close enough, if you look closer, you'll see that it's sticky, right? Okay guys, so let me wash my face off and we'll be back, okay? So we're back, and I washed my face, and you have to pat it dry, okay? Make sure it's dry enough. You can see the mess. Okay guys, so that's said and done. So remember that you have to pat your face dry once you're done, and also try to moisturize your face. Okay, you can use your facial cream or your serum. I always use this here. So we go with this. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this. So we'll go like this. Making sure everything is really okay, right? So go back. So you see, we're back, and this is it. I can't wait for you to try this out. Make sure you try this mask out, and let's see how it goes. Take a look. All right guys, this is it. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching till the end. And yes, one more thing, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing, and also try this video. Okay, try this mask on your face. It will do you more good. You can see the difference. If you were here from the start, then you will see how different my face looks like. Okay, all right guys, so my love to yours, I said thanks so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.